Hi guys, welcome back.
Hey, what happened?
Ano na? So, welcome back to the channel and I hope napanood niyo yung video na upload ko kahapon. That's the latest Smart Prepaid package, the Smart Giga Work. And lahat na Smart Prepaid package diniscuss ko doon, kaya medyo mahaba-haba. It's almost half an hour. But in this video, dinidiscuss ko dito na mas maikli yung Smart Giga Work. So right now, nandito pa rin tayo sa bahay. Yay! Sanay na tayo and my wife is working from home as well. Ayan siya. Oh. Hi, wife!
Nag-aaral ako ng agriculture online sa TISDA. Try nyo guys.
Oh.
Free lang.
Oh, pwede daw kayo mag-aral ng agriculture sa TESDA. Yeah, maraming free courses ngayon sa TESDA. So anyway, back to the topic. Labas tayo. And sabi ko nga ako, medyo sanay na rin ako kasi I've been working from home since 2012, I think, no? So matagal na tayo nag-work from home. And wala talaga tayong office na yung gigising ka tapos magbibihis pupunta sa office, wala. So ang office ko ito lang siya, guys. Yan na. Ito, lalagyan ko ito ng mga gadgets na for review, but right now, itong portion na to nilalagyan ng mga groceries. So actually right now, labas tayo dito. Actually, kasalukuyan tayo naglalaba. So pag-usapan natin yung Smart Giga Work. Dalawa yon. You can subscribe to Giga Work and Giga Work Plus AllNet. So dito natin yan pag-uusapan sa video na to. And I'll give you a demonstration kung paano mag-subscribe sa plan na yan. Alright? That's coming up.
So guys, before we proceed, kung hindi pa kayo nakakasali doon sa road to 20,000 subscribers na Tech Patrol, I encourage you to join. Lalagay ko po yung link sa description below. And kung bago ka naman na mapadpad dito sa channel na to, encourage din kita na mag-subscribe and click mo rin yan bell button para ma-notify ka kapag may meron tayo mga bagong video. Alright, so let's proceed.
So ito naman yung mga listahan ng mga GigaWork data packages. So let's start with GigaWork 50. Sa GigaWork 50, you have 1 gig of open access data. You have 3 gigs of data, which is 1 gig per day for work and study apps such as Google Hangouts, Microsoft Teams, Cisco Webex, Microsoft 365, Google Suite, Grab, Lalamove, Lazada, Shopee, Paymaya, GrabPay, and WhatsApp. The data allocation is 4 gig and the price is 50 pesos. This is valid for 3 days. The next is Smart Giga Work 99. You have 1 gig of open data access under this plan and you have 7 gigs of data, which is 1 gig per day for work and study apps. The data allocation is 9 gig. The cost is 99 pesos and it is valid for 7 days. Next, Smart Giga Work 299. Under this, you have 4 gigs of open access data, and you also have 30 gigs of data, which is 1 gig per day for work and study apps. The data allocation for you is 34 gig, 299 ang presyo at valid ito sa loob ng 30 days. Next up is the Smart Giga Work 399. Ito ay may 6 gig of open access data plus 30 gig of data, which is 1 gig per day for work and study apps. Ang presyo nito ay 399 pesos and valid ito sa loob ng 30 days. Next is Smart Giga Work 499. Under this, you have 8 gigs of open access data plus 30 gig of data, which is 1 gig per day for work and study apps. And the total data is 38 gig at ang presyo nito is 499 pesos and it is valid for 30 days. So, the next one is GigaWork Plus AllNet. Ang pinakauna natin dito ay Smart GigaWork Plus AllNet 100. And under this, you have 1 gig of open access data. Plus, you have 3 gigs of data, which is 1 gig per day for work and study apps. such as Google Hangouts, Microsoft Teams, Cisco WebEx, Microsoft Office 365, Google Suite, Grab, Lalamove, Lazada, Shopee, Paymaya, GrabPay, and WhatsApp. So dito sa Giga Work Plus AllNet 100, you also enjoy unlimited text to all networks and unlimited calls to all networks. Your total data allocation is 4 gig at meron kang ang presyo nito ay 100 pesos only and it is valid for 3 days. Next is Smart Giga Work Plus AllNet 199. Under this, you enjoy 2 gigs of open access data plus 7 gigs of data, which is 1 gig per day for the work and study apps mentioned. Plus, you also enjoy unlimited text to all networks, unlimited calls to all networks, and your total data is 9 gig. The price is 199 pesos only, and it is valid for 7 days. Next is Smart Giga Work Plus AllNet 549. Under this, you have 4 gig of open access data plus 30 gigs of data, which is 1 gig per day for all the work and study apps mentioned. You also enjoy unlimited text to all networks and unlimited calls to all networks. Your total data allocation for 30 days is 34 gigs. The cost is 549 pesos. Next is Smart Giga Work Plus AllNet 649. Under this, you have 6 gigs of open data access, 30 gig of data plus 30 gigs of data, which is 1 gig data per day for all the work and study apps mentioned. And you also enjoy unlimited calls and text to all networks. The total allocation for this is 36 gig and the cost is 649 pesos and it is valid for 30 days. Finally, you have Giga Work Plus AllNet 749. Sa data package na to, you enjoy 8 gigs of open access data, 30 gigs of data, which is 1 gig per day for all the work and study apps mentioned. You also enjoy unlimited texts and calls to all networks. You have a total of 38 gigs of data allocation. The cost is 749 pesos and it is valid for 30 days. So to register to Smart GigaWorks, you have to dial *123# and then you select Giga and you select Work or Work Plus AllNet. And then you select from the different choices, either you want 3 days only, 7 days, 30 days, etc. And then that's it. So for example, let's try to select 1 gig. Alright, and then let's click subscribe. And then there you go. Oh, and we will receive a confirmation text from Smart. There you go. To check your internet balance, let's check our internet balance. *123 dial. Balancing services. Check balance. There you go. And then there's also Smart SMS. There you go.
So there you go guys, our quick tutorial. And I hope meron kayong natutunan kahit paano dito sa ating tutorial series na to. And kung meron kayong questions, clarifications, or feedbacks, lagay nyo dyan sa comment section, ha? And also, I'd like to remind you that we have the road to 20,000 giveaway or raffle. And again, if you're new here, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Tito Spidey. I'd like to encourage you also to subscribe and click that bell button so that you can be notified kapag meron tayong bagong videos na ina-upload. Until next time, I'll see you in our next video. Bye!